back at Go Pro Motorplex. Gonna run my kart for a little bit before going out for tonight's Rental League kart race. We're doing the track backwards. Before I go out, once again, gonna give my kart a little run for its money here. And I'm excited. I just went out for another lovely session. So there's quite a bit of people. On my last run, I let all those people go out first so I could kind of follow behind. I didn't really want to practice what I said I wanted to practice, which was like thrashing the kart in and learning the edge. I don't really want to do that and spin out here and then get caught up and get in other people's way. So, I mean, I just had a really great session. Consistent. I don't want to continue making the same mistakes, if that makes sense. In turn one here, what I really like to do today, let the kart rotate early off the brake. So like run it up to the end, brake, let the kart rotate, and get back on the gas sooner, but be able to catch it. I think it's really important for me to learn how to get this kart rotated into the corner. Alright people, we had a little bit of an upset here. Your girl went over a big bump quite a few times. Like the rears just hopped right over it. And the stuff is just splaying. Is that the right word? Splaying everywhere. The cords, the wires, batteries got a little hole in it. You can't smell the sulfur yet though. So, I'm going to, in the future, zip tie my battery down and not hit that bump out there, because that was violent, unnecessary, and now Tiffin's got some extra work before Dover. So I'm sorry, Tiffin, if you're watching this. Anyways, let's go do this rental kart race. It's gonna be backwards, like I said, and I'm gonna try to not run around in last, but if I do, I'm gonna do it good and consistent.
Representative from right around turn 4 backwards, 3 backwards, 2 backwards, 1 clear around, follow the loop through the cut through on the front straightaway, back to turn 6, take a right through the cut through back over to turn 9, back through 9, back to 8 backwards, and then back through the cut through. And there's cones out there and barriers where you can't go the wrong way.
I'm scrubbing speed in a few corners and I'm missing my apexes, so I think lining the kart up properly in a few of these turns would really help me. coming in the old Dusty Davis garage because it's a little loud out there. So we just started the race and I went out first, and I'm honestly having a blast with this. I started out third. Shout out to Dusty for getting us there. And I came in second to last. But the race is not over and I have a really good teammate. So we'll see where it gets us. The difference between this rental race and the last one is like, I'm actually keeping the pace, and I may be second to last, but we're keeping the pace and we're not moving backwards, we're moving forwards because I almost caught someone. I just couldn't get around him. We have some learning to do, but this has been awesome and I'm excited to get back out there. This track layout, 10 out of 10. Love it. It is amazing. Can we please do it again? Thank you, GoPro. Carousel backwards is one of the most fun things I've ever done. That's awesome. Doing turn 1 backwards here. Speed you get off of turn 3, the real turn 3, the speed, like, oh. That being said, I would say I'm learning a lot on how to race around others. Like, it's been a learning experience, right, Bradley?
Sure has.
You guys carried my lead all night. So thank you for that.
You're welcome.
And I hope I didn't embarrass you too much out there. But we are second to last because of me. Rental League night is complete. I had a freaking blast. These guys that are running it are so much fun, so nice. Everyone's awesome. I learned a lot of racecraft, like I said. I think it was frustrating because these guys, some of them driving so deep, and yet, like, I tried to do that in my speed scrubs and they're just driving away. So there's like a lot to learn. I think it would have been a lot better if I had a GoPro attached so we could actually like break that footage down. But overall, 10 out of 10 experience. I would do it again in June when they do the summer leagues. So yeah, thanks Bradley for your help.
You're welcome.
And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching me
Learn
and last consistently.
There you go.
Cheers, y'all. Thanks for watching.